Hi, welcome to W8MD Weight Loss, Sleep, and Med Spa.
Hello and welcome to W8MD Weight Loss, Sleep, and Med Spa Centers. We are a physician-supervised, non-surgical weight loss program, sleep wellness program, and a medical spa. With physicians that are well-trained and experienced, we are able to help you not only reach your weight loss goals, but also to maintain. Since weight disorders and sleep disorders go together, we want to make sure that we address them together so that you get the best results. Studies have shown that not sleeping properly not only make you be at risk for gaining weight, but weight gain is a major risk factor for many sleep disorders such as sleep apnea. Therefore, it is important to address these things together. And as you lose weight, you may need to improve your skin, you may have some stubborn areas of fat, or you may need to tighten the skin, for which our medical aesthetics plays a major role. We provide evidence-based, non-surgical aesthetic interventions. We have very high-end equipment, state-of-the-art equipment that helps you with skin tightening, facials, photofacials for sunspots, any brown spots, veins, anything that is like stretch marks. It could be aging related wrinkles. We provide solutions that fit your needs using the latest technology. With centers in the Northeast, with offices in New York City and also in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, with more coming soon, W8MD Medical Weight Loss Centers America is the one place that you can go for, not only for your weight problems, but also for sleep disorders and aesthetic needs. Now we have our office manager here, Tony. Tony, can you please tell us what happens when a patient calls us and how the process works?
Well, usually we first we take all your information down, what some of your goals want to be, and we schedule the appointment for a consultation, and then you would come in, sit down for the consultation, and follow through with the doctor and the plan, and to see what fits best for your needs.
Right, one size fits all approach is not practiced here as an evidence-based practice. We focus on you. We know that each person is different. One person might have one particular reason that makes them gain weight. Another person may have a completely different aspect that makes them gain weight. We address it from a multidisciplinary approach. We check your blood pressure, your heart rate, your height, weight, your measurements. Each time that you come in, we also do initially tests such as your EKG and a breathing test to determine if you have a slower metabolism or what your resting metabolic rate is. So once you go through certain basic testing, then you would not only meet with the doctor to go over your goals and your weight needs, but also you would see a nutritionist and counselors that would go over your diet and also support you for learning about all the things that you are supposed to eat. And we also have products that are designed to help with weight loss. Some of our products include protein shakes, such as the shakes that we see here. We have all different types of flavors. We have the strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We also have various protein bars that are W8MD branded. They have high amount of protein that is important for your weight loss, and also is very low in carbohydrates so that you could lose weight. We also offer FDA approved medications as and when appropriate. Some of the medications might be things like phentermine, Belweek, Contrave, Saxenda, phendimetrazine, diethylpropion, and other medications. We also take care of things such as skin tags using liquid nitrogen that can freeze skin tags, as patients with underlying weight issues tend to get skin tags in their neck and other areas. We address your weight and sleep problems from a comprehensive perspective, and we have offices in many different states, and we have thousands of successful patients. We appreciate all our patients. We have an ongoing maintenance plan. Not only will we help you to lose weight, but we will make sure that you have a plan in place to maintain the weight once you reach your weight loss goals. Thank you and have a great day.